Yo, what is up guys? Faisal here. Welcome back to another video. Today, we got a different type of video. This is not a normal vlog. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. Something very different, Many of you guys might not even expect that Faisal has a skincare routine, but yes, I'm going to put in the work if you want to look good. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys my whole skincare routine and everything that I do and how you can keep your skin looking good, healthy, clean. And what they say is that if you look good, you'll feel good. So hopefully after this, you guys can take something to learn, or you can even teach me something and let me know if I need to improve on something. But yeah, let's get started. First up, if you guys know, I have a friend named Zayn Malik. You might know him, you might have seen him somewhere, me and him, we go way back. So he's known for wearing one of these headbands, and he actually let me know, he's like, Faisal, you should wear one of these headbands. I was like, go for real? So I got one of the headbands. So pretty much what you want to do is put the headband on. This way, you can like clear up your forehead space if you have hair coming down. Then what we want to do is wash our hands. Obviously, you want to have clean hands because your hands are dirty, they have oil and all that. Make sure you wash your hands for sure. Okay, so first step, obviously, you gotta take our glasses off. And what you want to do, get some warm water, and you want to rinse your face with a little bit of warm water. So the first thing that we're going to be using is the CeraVe face wash. CeraVe is a really good brand. I highly recommend it for your skin. CeraVe, for watching this, want to sponsor me, just hit me up. So you just want to get a little bit, make sure you rub it all around, exfoliated, and then you want to just rub it all over your skin. Make sure you get all the parts. Once you get it all throughout and rub it all throughout your face, then what you want to do is wash it off. Okay, so the next step that we're going to be doing, we're actually going to be using the ordinary serums. They have serums for different parts of your face or for different functions. The ones I'm going to be using is the caffeine solution and the I don't know how to say this, I'm not a science nerd. One that has zinc in it, kind of helps like clearing up your skin, clearing up your acne. So as you can see right here, we have the serum. All you want to do is a few drops over your face, the one on each cheek, one on your forehead. You also want to put one on your chin. And once you have it in your face, once again, make sure your hands are clean. And then all you want to do is kind of like tap it around. Some people like to rub, but I like to like tap it around. That way the serum isn't like getting too rubbed off and stuff. You want to focus on places where you have like inflammation, if you have like acne marks. So the next thing we're going to be doing is using caffeine solution, once again from the ordinary. This one, it targets kind of like dark circles. So pretty much what you want to do is you're going to take 2 drops, one per each eye, and you just want to put it underneath your eye. Once you have it under your eye, all you want to do is tap around again, and you can slowly rub. Since your eyes are delicate, you want to be really light with it, so just kind of tap around your eye and kind of work your way to upwards motion, and make sure you're evenly spreading the serum because you don't want it to be like chunked up in one spot. Make sure you're kind of like bringing it all throughout. Okay, so now that we've let the serum kind of sit on our face, kind of dry down, now is the next step, and it's probably one of the most important steps, one of the most basic steps. Even if you don't have any of the serums, what you should be doing every day is moisturizing your face, because your skin gets dried out for washing it and stuff. Typically what you want to do is put the serums on first and then moisturize. So what you want to do is get moisturizer. Again, CeraVe is a great brand. I highly recommend it. If you see the CeraVe, sponsor me. Okay, so what you want to do, just get your moisturizer and kind of dab it in every single spot. You want to get all the parts. So yeah, now we've got our face, looking all shiny and just super glowing, which is, that's what we want. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is using a gua sha. So pretty much what it is a jade stone, and you use it along your face to help kind of like lifting your skin, lifting like your face muscles. After you apply serums and moisturizer, your skin is very soft and stuff, it's easy to glide on. Then you want to go ahead and use the gua sha. So we're going to start off focusing with the neck right here. You can follow the same motions I'm doing, so I'm going to be lifting along the chin right here. When you're using gua sha, you want to hold your skin in place, that way it's not stretching it too much. Hold it in place and then use it. So what we do is we start from the bottom, we work our way up, and we want to make use of obviously all the different parts of the gua sha. The big side, the like more rounder side. There's a lot of different angles to use on this, and you want to do them on every single part of your face, including your cheekbones, your eyebrows, your jawline. Now the next step is when you're going out, so many people always forget, you need to apply sunscreen. Now why do you need to apply sunscreen? Because over time sun damages your skin, and when you get older you see people with like wrinkles and stuff, this can happen through sun damage. So it's important you always apply some sunscreen to your face, and if you can find like one of those good quality sunscreen that have the good ingredients and they're beneficial for you, I highly recommend getting one. Anytime you go out, just apply a little bit. A little can go a long way. And you just get a little bit, you don't need too much. You just kind of like get your main parts that will be exposed to the sun. Okay, the final step that we're going to be doing is hydrating our lip. The way you can do this is using Vaseline. A lot of people like to use chapsticks and such, but I think that Vaseline works best. So what you want to do is get a little bit and just kind of apply it all over. Alright, so I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, leave a comment down below what you guys thought of it, and make sure to drop a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you guys did enjoy this kind of video, if you want to see more content like this, maybe the next video could be a hairstyle tutorial. Let me know if you guys be interested. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.